Most people spend their entire lives feeling lazy, unmotivated, and empty, and they never figure out why. The Japanese figured it out centuries ago. They called it Ikigai. Ikigai means your reason for being. The reason you open your eyes in the morning with fire, not dread. When you have a purpose, real purpose, laziness disappears. Procrastination disappears. That heavy, foggy feeling of what's the point, gone. Because your brain finally has a direction, and a brain with direction is unstoppable. Ikigai is built on 4 questions. Most people answer 1 or 2. The Japanese say you need all 4. Rule 1, do what you love. Not what pays well. Not what your parents approved of. What genuinely lights you up. If passion is missing, you will always be fighting yourself to show up. Rule 2, do what you're good at. Love without skill leads to frustration. When you combine passion with mastery, you enter a state of flow. Work stops feeling like work. Rule 3, do what the world needs. This is what separates purpose from just pleasure. If your work solves a real problem for real people, it gains meaning beyond yourself. That meaning is what keeps you going when things get hard. Rule 4, do what you can be paid for. Purpose without sustainability collapses. The Japanese were practical. Your Ikigai must support your life, or eventually survival pressure will destroy it. Where all 4 overlap, that is your Ikigai. That is the zone where you wake up excited, where effort feels effortless, where your life actually makes sense. Here's what most people do instead. They chase money without love, or they follow passion without skill, or they do something the world needs, but it drains every ounce of them because they hate it. One piece missing and the whole thing collapses into emptiness. That emptiness is not laziness. It is not weakness. It is your soul telling you, this is not your Ikigai. You are not built to just survive. You are not built to drag yourself through Monday to Friday waiting for the weekend. Ikigai is the Japanese reminder that a purposeful life is not a luxury. It is a necessity. Find the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Then commit to it completely. That is not just a career strategy. That is the architecture of a meaningful life. If this made you think, share it, and subscribe for more psychology that actually changes how you see yourself. See you in the next one.